एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अभियांश किचन। मैं शीतल आपका स्वागत करती हूँ अभियांश किचन में। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं हेल्थ पैक्ड कुकीज। इट इज सो गुड इन टेस्ट, एवरीवन वुड लाइक इन फैमिली एंड दिस आर पावर पैक्ड कुकीज। ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इंग्रेडिएंट्स। सो आई एम टेकिंग जवार फ्लावर, these are multi-millet cookies. जवार फ्लावर 35 grams, wheat flour चपाती, रेगुलर चपाती आटा 65 grams, 30 grams coconut flour. Okay, so I am taking 2 tablespoons of 20 grams of cranberries. I have cutted them like this. See, I have cutted them like this, like in 2 parts. And watermelon seeds I am taking, and watermelon seeds, cashew nuts 20 grams, almonds, 60 grams of sugar. I am taking Khandahari sugar. If you wish, you can use cane sugar, jaggery powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and 20 grams of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. So here chocolates is up to you. You can decrease the amount and increase the amount according to your taste. So here I am taking total of 50 grams of chocolate, and it's almost 25 grams of milk chocolate, 25 grams of dark chocolate. I am taking to make sure that your cookies are good in taste. Please use good quality chocolates. Okay, so let's start. This is 60 grams or 90 grams of ghee. We are using ghee for cookies today. So first what we will do is, in ghee we will add this sugar, complete 60 grams of sugar, and now we will beat it. We will beat it nicely. You will notice that sugar is butter will start coming like of white color. See, look, after 2 to 2.5 minutes is coming in off white color shade. Now what we will do, once it is done beating, mixing together, creaming together the sugar and ghee, we will mix all the flours together. That was a coconut flour, wheat flour, and jawar flour. Now we will mix it lightly. So I have mixed all the flours. Now I am going to put baking soda in this, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So I have mixed all the powders together. These are our dry ingredients. Mix them. I am not using any essence because cinnamon has its own strong fragrance which I really like. So I don't prefer to add vanilla, but it's your choice if you want to put any kind of essence. Okay, so let's start. Now there I have steaming my butter and sugar. It's very mixed. Now we switch to spatula. I'll add all of my flour, complete flour, and we'll mix it. Keep it in mind कि हमें ज़्यादा मिलाना नहीं है डो को. We don't want bread, we want nice crunchy soft cookies. So for this we need to be very gentle. Cut and fold, cut and fold. Yes, cut and fold. Now I can see that my flour is almost together. I don't want to over mix it. So now I'm adding my milk and chia seeds. I'm adding my watermelon seeds. cashews, almonds, cranberries, and chocolate. Now I mix it again. See, can you see? So colorful and looking so crunchy. I can't tell you, the smell is so good. The fragrance is so good. See, we are almost there. It's up to you. I like to have a half of milk chocolate and half of dark chocolate, but if you wish, you can take completely dark chocolate, completely milk chocolate. It's all up to you. And even if you wish, you can make it completely with only wheat flour. No, you don't have, if you don't have coconut flour, jawar flour in your hand, you can just simply go with wheat flour. Now we will make it up in like ball. How we will be, because if you feel like your mixture is dry, so you can take half teaspoon of milk at a time and mix it, and let's check the it should come like together like this. If it is coming together like this, it means it's a good to go. Okay, if you feel it's dry, you're not able to make a kind of mutia, so please feel free to add half teaspoon of milk at a time, mix it and check it. Then okay, so every flour takes different water. Now, so we always rest the cookies for half an hour in fridge. I highly prefer that you put your cookie dough in fridge for half an hour at least, so it helps to emulsify, brings out the old flavor of a cookie's ingredients. So I'll rest it in this dough in the fridge for half an hour. I'll wrap it up with cling wrap, and then you will see after half an hour. Guys, I took out my cookie dough, and see, now I'll show you how to divide the cookie dough in equal cookie size, so cookies will bake equally. Come show you. So I have taken my weighing scale, okay, and I have taken it on 0, so you can see, right? So I'll take my cookie dough. I am taking this kind of bowl. Now I'll put it in this. It's a 35 gram. Each cookie should be 35 gram. This recipe will make almost equal 12 to 13 cookies. Now then we will flatten it, and definitely you can see a cracks. It's completely fine. Cookies with some cracks looks beautiful. Trust me, you feel like eating more. Now we'll make another cone. 34. See, it's almost there. Put it all in the parts. Make a bowl like this and flatten it with your hands. Can you see cracks? Cracks are beautiful. See, so I have given the shape to all my cookie dough, and so all came together 13 cookies. So I want to tell you something now. See, it's all up to you which flour do you want to use. If you want to use multiple flours, it's your choice. If you want to use only wheat flour, it's your choice. Okay. If you want to use maida, then it is your choice again. And again, on the seeds, I would say is your choice which seeds you want. Sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. If you don't have cranberries in hand, you can use blueberries, chocolates of your choice. So they're like so forgiving, cookies. So always go what do you like and what your kids like. So now we will put that in the oven. I have preheated my oven at 160 degrees Celsius and my oven is equally. So now it goes for. Let your cookies bake for at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's see how long it takes. Every oven is different. Okay, so make sure you preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius for at least 7 to 10 minutes. So what idea is, when we put our cookies inside the oven, our oven should be hot. Okay, so we'll see you after 15 minutes. Cookies are ready. So you can see how nicely they are brown. Can you see how nicely they have turned brown? They're looking very pretty. So let me show you. Isn't it looking so good, so yummy? So I would say if you want to make these cookies these cookies it took 18 minutes to bake. So please keep checking your oven after 14 minutes. Keep checking your cookies. So every oven is different, right? So my oven took 18 minutes. So maybe your oven takes only 15 minutes. So all depends. You can the power packed cookies, very healthy cookies. You can have it a snack. You can give these cookies to kids in lunch box, or can have in morning with tea. Okay, so please try them and let me know, and please leave in comments how did you feel, and please subscribe my channel Abhiyan's Kitchen. Thank you.